In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Montana. Visit the Montana Secretary of State website. Go to the Montana Secretary of Business Service portal to access your business filing. Log into your account. Sign into your ePass Montana account to manage your LLC's filing and changing your address. Select the correct filing form, choose the Article of Amendment or the Statement of Change Residence Office, depending on whether you're updating your principal or Registered Office address. Enter the updated LLC information, provide your LLC's name, current address and the new address you're moving to. Pay the filing fee, review the applicable fee schedule, then submit your payment online through the portal. Update external agencies. Once your filing is approved, update your new address with the IRS, bank or licensing agency, and any other important contacts or businesses. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Montana. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.